everyone to my channel. So this is the third part of the topic, which is GS paper 1 syllabus of mains. So we are going to cover geography as it is the third part. In the fourth part we will cover society. So we have human geography, world physical geography in this. So let's start with world and Indian geography first. So in this we have the salient features of world physical geography. We have geomorphology in this, so origin and evolution of the earth, interior of the earth, so basically layering of it, so crust, mantle, core, everything, distribution of continents and oceans, plate tectonic theory, distribution of earthquakes and volcanoes, rocks and rock cycle, then geomorphic processes, both endogenic and exogenic, landforms and their evolution, and about the geological time scale. So here in geomorphology, each and every topic is very important, so I would suggest you to study about it. This is very important. Then oceanography, so here hydrological cycle, sea floor spreading, ocean floor configuration, temperature and salinity of oceans and movement of it, so waves, tides and currents. Then climatology, so earth's atmosphere, composition and structure. Then solar radiation, heat budget and temperature, atmospheric circulation and weather system, and world climate, so its examples. So here moderate climate, Mediterranean climate, okay, so every type of climate will come here, basically just the examples, okay. Then soil geography, so in this soil and its contents, how it is made up of, then formation of it, this is the process how soil is formed, then there are some forming factors also about it, then types of soils, so basically the examples. So here we can say black soil, red soil, laterite soil. Then soil erosion and conservation, so erosion, everyone knows that the removal of the topmost layer is known as soil erosion. And how can we save soil? Conservation means to save the soil, basically how can we conserve it. And in examples of soil, so you can have any example because there are a lot of soil. Then economic or geography, so agriculture, mineral resources, energy resources, about industries, transport and communication. So in agriculture, everything about growing crops, okay, everything here will come. And about resources also, mineral resource, energy resource. Then distribution of key natural resources across the world, including South Asia and of course Indian subcontinents. So in types of resources, we have on the basis of what? So on the basis of origin, ownership, exhaustibility. So now here etc is coming. So wherever the term etc comes, etc comes, it means everything in that particular topic will come. So here types of resources may everything, okay, each and every type of resource will come here because etc is given. Then land resources, so land utilization, land pattern and land degradation and conservation. So again, conservation means how can we save it, the process of conserving it. Then agricultural resources, so types of farming, cropping pattern, contribution to economy, employment and output, and about food security also. In types of farming, there are a lot of farming, okay, so there are a lot of types of farming, so about it. And cropping pattern also. Then mineral and energy resources, so classification of it, about are they non-ferrous or ferrous, then occurrence of it, conservation of it, how can we conserve it, classification of energy resources, so are they conventional, means we can say are they traditional, have been used since a long period of time, and non-conventional, a little different. Then occurrence of energy resources and conservation of energy resources, again how can we conserve energy resources, how can we save it, what is the need to do it. Then forest resources, so types of distribution, types and distribution, so grassland and forest, again etc is coming, so every type of distribution will come here. Causes of depletion, conservation of forest, what is the need to conserve it. Then water resources, so marine and fresh water scarcity, very common in deserts, and need to save it. And integrated water resource management also, so what is the need to conserve water, basically here. And about the water resource management also. Then for factors which are causing changes in critical geographical features. Then example of changing geographical features, so melting of ice sheets, desertification, again etc. Then impact of changing geographical features. Okay, what is the effect of it, of changing of geographical features? Then land grants and financial incentives, power transports, and about water and communication. Now very important topic, like very important topic from the perspectives of both prelims and mains. If you can note it down, so note it somewhere or take the screenshot. So important geophysical phenomena such as earthquakes, tsunami, volcanic activities, cyclone, and etc. Again etc, so means everything here. Then geographical features and their location changes in critical geographical features, including water bodies and ice caps, and in flora and fauna, and about the impact of those changes, the effect of such changes. Okay, in this particular topic. Then earthquake, so why does the earth shake during earthquake? Then the waves of it, shadow zone, types of earthquake, how can we measure it, and effect of earthquake. Then what causes tsunami here, effects of it, how can we minimize the impact of tsunami. So mitigating means minimizing only, so how can we minimize the impact of tsunami. Alright, so in effect of tsunami, so what are the impact of it basically. Then volcanoes, so types of it, what causes volcanoes, volcanic landform, extrusive and intrusive both volcanic landform, distribution of volcanoes. Then tropical cyclones, anticyclone, extra tropical cyclone. Okay, everything here, tropical, anti, extra, everything is important here. Then factors which are responsible for the location of primary, secondary, and tertiary sector industries in various parts of the world, including India. So classification of industries, location and distribution of the industries on the basis of what? So on the basis of raw material, labor, market, and capital. Okay, so here are the was the some examples of on the basis of what. Then so yeah, we have covered everything in geography. And in the fourth part, we will cover society, which is the last part of GS paper 1. Then we will start with GS paper 2. Till then, take care, bye-bye, and stay updated. Bye-bye.